Let me show you how we can do a zoom in effect in PowerPoint. So we will need some kind of image to zoom to. Simply drag and drop your image to an empty slide. Alright, I'll make it even smaller. So this will be our default size. On the next slide, we are going to zoom closely. So I will now duplicate this one. And on the slide number 2, I will make this really large. You can even use the minus here to zoom out to see the smallest slide like that. And this way we can oversize the image. So we can like zoom in very closely. And then we can even have another one. So I will just click duplicate on the slide number 2. Maybe now I want to zoom into the lower part. So I will move the whole thing up. And if you want to go back to the regular size at the end, just copy the first slide, the original size, duplicate, and place it at the end. Now, to make this whole process smooth, we will need to apply a special transition that is perfect for images that are growing or shrinking. That's the Morph transition. This helps to change size of the same object between multiple slides. So you must click that, but apply this to all of the slides. All right, let's give it a go. Slideshow. That's my first slide. When I click, it's nicely, slowly zooming. Click again, moving to the bottom part. And I got slide number 4, zooming out to the original size. So it's a really easy but powerful trick. Simply make duplicate of the same slide, enlarge the image, but don't forget about special transition called Morph. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.